Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about alerts in Selenium with Python. Okay, how we can able to use alerts or what type of alerts will be present. See, this is a one demo application. Whenever you click this particular button, you can able to say click me. In this button, it will give one pop-up. There are two options. It is presented OK or cancel. But if you are going to do for inspecting, we can't able to. If I'm going to do for right click also, I'm not able to find a right click on here. Okay, even if you can outside also, you can't able to, because it's a one kind of pop-up. Means so a small pop-up it is coming, but we can't able to read. Means we can't able to find something web element. How we can able to handle this kind of pop-ups? There is no inspecting the element and there is no particular web elements not presented. How we can able to achieve these things by using a Python with Selenium? Means there is a method to utilize that alert method to click OK. Means we can able to provide one accept OK, and cancel means dismiss, and if you want to get the some text means text. And in case if you have single there is a text box, if you having the text box, you can able to use for send keys. That moment we can able to get it alert dot send keys. That is a one way. Another way to provide some text to that particular text box. Some of the times like in organization, when you are doing that moment some authorization type, it will come some pop-ups like this only. It will give, it will ask you for username and password. Please provide username and password and click sign in button to go for next level. How we can able to achieve is we can able to pass those things by using the URL in URL header like http yes colon double forward slash. You can able to provide the username admin or something which kind of username it is presented for you, that username colon and password which password it is presented, and dollar, sorry, and symbol. If you provide like this, it will take by default in your username and password fields place. If this one and symbol it is not working, then you can provide for dollar also. Anyone it will work. Sometimes it will take for and symbol also, sometimes it will take for dollar. Okay, based upon that which version and what kind of programming language you are using, based upon that it will give for that alert messages. Okay, now we are going to use for to seeing the accept and dismissing, means canceling and getting for text from that place. Okay, first we need to launch driver. I can able to use Selenium import and I can able to use for WebDriver. Okay, then we can able to use for driver object equal to a WebDriver dot a Chrome, and I need to maximize this one, and then we can able to use some time to wait 2 seconds. I can able to provide. Then after loading web page, we need to click this particular button. For this we need to inspect on a web element, and here we can't able to find a web element because it is taking the function name, and click me, and then we can able to copy, right click here, and we can able to do for some copying expert here. Okay, then we can able to come to here a driver dot a find element, and then by, for by purpose we need to use for from Selenium dot webdriver dot common dot a by, from importing a by symbol, and then again we are going to import by here dot xpath comma 2 colons, and we can able to import here like we already use for here, and there is a click button. We need to click that particular button. Once it is loaded, then we need to give some time to stop. We need to see checking purpose. We can able to give some time. 4 seconds I'm going to give. And reutilizing this purpose, I can able to provide here. There is a element object element dot click option. Okay, now if I'm clicking this one, it will give you for one alert. Just I waited, I provided for 4 seconds, then I'm going to use it to accept that alert. For this I can able to use for driver, and there is a method to switch that particular frame alert. Then we can able to switch dot alert, and here we can able to see there are couple of things: text, accept, dismiss, and also send keys. These are the 4 conditions we can able to use it. Okay, in our case right now we don't have any text box in that particular field, that's why I'm not going to use for send keys. First I'll go for accept. Sorry. Okay, now again one more time I'm going to do for, just I will wait after accepting. I'll wait for 2 seconds or 4 seconds or 5 seconds. I'll provide after 5 seconds I need to click again same button, and again I need to wait, and I need to dismiss that alert, which is the alert we are choose, right? That alert I need to dismiss, means cancel. Okay, after doing this one, again I need to use it one more time for the click method, and now this time I'm not going to do for any kind of operation, but I'm going to get for a text. Okay, just I'm getting the text, but I can able to print, but I need to print for the text. I'm going to print the text value, whether it is provided or not. If you want to do something like, if you want to verify if condition that particular alert having the same value, while you click this button, in this there is a press a button icon. This is the syntax. It is a value it is presented, whether it is provided or not, that also we can able to verify. Can able to copy, and if condition you can able to make it, and you can able to check it out. Okay, now in our cases, now we done this all the things, then I'm going to run my class. Alerts no such file, D is missed. Now I can able to, the browser is open, maximized. It's a empty browser, I guess. Oh, we are not used any place any driver URL itself. It's an empty URL. Sorry. Now I'm going to give here driver.get. I'm going to provide the URL. Now I'm going to run. Now you can able to see the page it is going to load. Once it is load completion, you can able to maximize the window. Then clicking the button, it is came, and clicking OK, acceptance. Even you can able to see here, you pressed OK button. Same action, which is the action it is going to do. Now it is going to cancel. Here you can cancel. Now it will click and it will get for text from alert. If you are going to here, you can able to see here once it is load. Okay, so string object, sorry. Method, it is providing the text, only normal text value. We have get text method in Selenium, right? Basically when you are using Java and Python, it is like a text txt. It will get from the text in that particular alert. Now we can able to press a button. Okay, this way we can able to get it from the text from that alert, and even we can able to OK means accept and dismiss for that particular alert. Okay, this is all about for alert. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues and comment on this video. Thank you.